Hi everybody, welcome to Armcandy. Hope you're all well. So today we've got for you another really gorgeous Chanel. So this is the Chanel top handle shoulder bag. You can see that we've got these two classic Chanel leather and chain plaited straps. We've obviously got the two top handles. On the back here, we've got a nice flat pocket, and then we've also got another flat pocket on the front, which is just under this flat closure with the CC turn lock fastened there. So you can see we've got another nice big flat pocket on the front there. I'll open it up and show you the inside. So inside we've got that magnetic press stud fasten there to keep it closed. And then we've got one nice big spacey compartment. On the back side we have that zipped pocket there. That zip still works really beautifully. And then on the opposite side, just get it so you can see it in the light, there we go. Two flat pockets there, and then the little pocket in the middle there as well. Now I'll try and get it at an angle so you can see the serial code tag as well. Let's have a look. So just that little label on the bottom there, that is the serial code as well, but there will be a picture of that on our website. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior fair. As you can see, it's got quite a bit of creasing along the front there, and it is just slightly, on this side especially, when it starts to go a little bit grey when it starts to crease. And then there's just areas of creasing around the bag, but the base still looks pretty good. But yeah, we've called it fair just really because of that creasing there. There's not any marks or stains or scratches or anything for me to show you, but just that creasing. For the interior, we've called that good. Again, it's just kind of that creasing along the corners. See here as well, but these leather trims are still in lovely condition, and the inside is still pretty clean, free from stains, and still looks pretty good in there. The hardware we've called very good. As you can see, it's still very shiny, still looks very nice. The only thing that I would show you is just on these four base studs at the bottom, there's one of them which just has here, and I'm not sure if it will show up on the camera because it is very minimal, but it does have some scratching on it. But other than that, the condition is still very nice. So this Chanel comes with the Chanel dust bag, just going to keep it protected, and then we've also got the authenticity card as well. And one thing I'll just mention as well, on that serial code, the serial is 20, which makes it a 2014/15 Chanel. So, for the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you directly to this Chanel. If it doesn't and it takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but you can still get on our request list, which you just do by sending us over an email, letting us know what bag you love. It doesn't have to be this one, it can be any bag that takes your fancy, and we will send you an alert if we ever get one like it through our door. So yeah, get yourself on our request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on our website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 at 5'4", so you can have it as a shoulder, which is really nice like that, or you can have it by these top handles here. And I do think when it's empty, you can definitely, that creasing is noticeable. If I just open it up and kind of show you, once that's full of all your bits and bobs, it's not as noticeable at all, that creasing. So it's a very spacey bag, so get all of your bits in it and you won't be able to notice that creasing as much. So For more details on this bag, go to our website, as I said, link in the description below. You'll find so many more bags on our website as well. Also on our website, you'll find the sign up to our newsletter option, which if you do that, you'll get your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with Armcandy Bag Co. And you can also find out how to sell any bags that you have, that you would like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. All the details will be online as well.